Welcome back to your 30-day skincare challenge. Today is day 30. It is the recap of what a traditional skincare routine shall look like. If you haven't had a chance, I have all the videos posted right from the beginning all the way to today. So feel free to go back and scroll away and enjoy. But let's do a final recap of what a traditional skincare routine should look like. And at the end of the video, I'm going to share you some more exciting news. All right, now we know why we need to actually cleanse our skin both day and night and use an actual cleanser based on your skin type, a face cloth, and for those of you who want to do an actual extra cleanse, you can use a cleansing balm at night only. You do not need to use a cleansing balm and your cleanser in the morning. Just one simple cleanse is all you need. If you suffer from drier skin types or you just had a procedure and your skin needs a little extra love, you want to definitely consider a hydrating toner. We really do want to stay away from the acid-based toners. In the morning, you're going to use a good form of vitamin C. I made sure that on ShopMy Shelf, I broke it down to all different skin types and also made sure I had a spot, especially for people who have acne and suffer from breakouts and they need a really gentle form of vitamin C. It is all available for you on ShopMy Shelf. Now, if you're starting to see the fine lines and wrinkles start creeping on ahead, this is where you want to start looking at some peptides. This one, of course, is one of my ultimate favorites because it has everything you need all in one. So you don't need to buy extra ingredients. And of course, I have more options on ShopMy Shelf so you can choose yours, but you can use these both day and night. Now, should you choose to use an eye cream, not everybody needs an eye cream, but if you do need an eye cream, they're again all on ShopMy Shelf. They're all categorized based on hydrating the skin, fine lines and wrinkles, and of course the big guns where we're talking about growth factors, stem cells, and cytokines. These are for the really extreme cases. You are going to follow up with your moisturizer of choice. Remember, your moisturizer is based on your skin type. And again, that's all categorized on ShopMy Shelf as well. And of course, we cannot forget our beloved SPFs, which we are now going to be very diligent with, especially if anti-aging and pigmentation are a major concern. You need this. This is your armor. It's not negotiable. Find one that works for your skin. Your nighttime skincare routine is going to be very similar to the cleanse we talked about earlier. You can use a pre-cleansing balm only if you need it, but you definitely need to use some sort of cleanser based on your skin type. And of course, you must use a face cloth. Again, hydrating toners if you need it. Looking to fight fine lines and wrinkles, you're going to use your peptide of choice. I like the multi-blends the best. Please pick your choice of some form of retinoid, whether it's bakuchiol, retinol, retinal, or then you can go into tretinoin. But always start low and slow. Go back to my original videos where I explain exactly how you put it into your routine. So you literally will be able to incorporate this without the downside of irritation, redness, and rawness, and that horrible phase that nobody likes. Should you need your eye cream, this is where you're going to use your eye cream. And of course, you always need to use your moisturizer over top. I want to make sure that I can continue to provide you more information. So next week is going to be a bonus week, and I'm going to be talking all things about growth factors, stem cells, cytokines, exosomes, how that's going to work in your skincare routine for those of you who have done the traditional method and you're like, I've hit a wall, my skin is no longer changing, what can I do? That is where you might want to look at a little bit more so than the traditional method. I also offer online skincare routines for purchase that have all my favorite top threes listed on the actual routine. It's a PDF format, which you can download and you can just go through and I give you my top three and I'll tell you exactly how to layer it within your skincare routine. And of course, I offer one-on-one skincare consultations where we go through your entire skincare routine, what your goals are, and we put it all together for you, which is customized by, of course, myself. And I have to say thank you so much for joining me. I am Natasha B., your beauty junkie monkey, your master medical esthetician, full esthetician. I specialize in designing skincare routines and I do so worldwide. I am completely independent from all the brands. I only promote products that I've tested, that I know, that I love, that work. And that's what's all seen on ShopMy Shelf, where you can design your own skincare routine with a little bit of guidance from yours truly. Thank you so much. I'll see you next week for those of you who want the advanced skincare routines.